concerning areas for heavy to light ice accumulation is southeast Missouri, northeast Oklahoma, central Kentucky as well as western Kentucky, northern Arkansas, and parts of West Virginia. Total ice accumulation of 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch in western Kentucky and extreme northwestern Tennessee, possibly including southeast Missouri. 1/10 to 5/10 inch of ice accumulation around northern Arkansas, extreme northeast Oklahoma, and southern Missouri, as well as Virginia and parts of Kentucky.